Uh-huh.
and drop them into the seats. And put it up here.
Uh-huh.
Something for food.
And who eats it? Do cows eat it?
No, let's eat it.
Oh, what about elephants?
No,
What about tigers?
they don't eat it too.
It looks like your shark might eat it.
No.
So, what do hummingbirds eat?
For food.
Do they eat something that we made in the kitchen?
There.
What did we put in there?
Water. Water.
And what else? Uh-oh. What's happening?
Look.
Uh-oh. What's happening to the hummingbird food? Hey, John, what's in the water with the food? What did we stir in there?
What?
Did we put something else in there that you stirred and stirred till it disappeared?
Sugar. Sugar.
Sugar? Uh-oh, it's leaking. Uh-oh, hummingbirds, your food is going away. Look out. The big giant John